Any app project can be divided into different screens. A screen is something like a page of a book. Every new page has new text and new information. In a similar manner, every app has different screens and every screen has different features, which means you can add completely different components and blocks in it. For example, an e commerce app has a separate screen for a catalog or list of products, another screen for cart and cart items, and yet another screen for order placement. Another example is of a game app. A game app has different screens for a single player game, multiplayer game, and for a leaderboard, and obviously another screen for a home page leading to any one of these three screens. In the case of a book, you have different properties to choose, like font size, font type, colors, margins, and more. In a similar way, you have different properties for a screen to choose, like selecting the alignment, changing background color or image, screen orientation, theme, title, and more. Other facts about a screen. Every app has a default screen, that is, screen 1. You need to create other screens for other purposes. You cannot change the orders of screens, hence, you should be careful to decide whether you are going to use screen 1 as a home screen, or for a splash screen, or for a direct application. Screen 1 has more properties when compared to other screens, like adding app name, adding icon for the app, and more. Moreover, while all other screens can be deleted, screen 1 cannot be deleted. Information from one screen to other screens can be shared using blocks. However, the type of information to be shared is restricted to values. The value shared from other screens can be used for deciding the type of operation to execute in the current screen or for any other similar purpose.